this is a very special unboxing. I've been waiting on for quite a while. I've been saving up for it. This is actually the biggest purchase I've ever made in my photography career, or hobbyist career. Basically, let's get to it. I guess this is very special. All right, here it is. This here is something to drink. It's hot out here. It's summertime, y'all. Y'all like that? Got me one. Had to get one, man. These are so cool. I usually have coffee in it, but it's an iced tea kind of day, don't you think? Alright. Set this to the side. Alright. So here we go. This is big. Yeah, let me just talk this over. Let's make it a surprise. Alright. Boom. Booyah! There we have it. Check this out. We have the Tamron SP70-200mm 2.8 DI-BC USD Generation 2. This is a beauty. It's going to be a tank. I've been waiting so long to get this open. I'm going to go into a more in-depth review on this. I've already been doing my research, and we're going to talk about the name a little bit, things of that nature. But let's get to this. Let's open this up. So, inside the box, you have paperwork. Adobe authorized introduce part. Okay, you got your owner's manual, probably some other insurance type stuff, which I did buy insurance on this. I'm not sure if I should have or not, because they do offer, if you register within the first 30 days, you can get a full 5 years on your insurance on this extended warranty. Not sure what that covers, but the insurance I got would cover anything: spills, breaks, drops, anything like that. I did purchase this on Amazon. This is okay, this is a model number, serial number. Alright, here we go. Inside the box we have, what is that? A little toolkit. There we go. Got some Allen bolts and a tool. Got a bag. Wow, that actually feels almost like, what do they call it? That type of leather something. I don't know. It's nice though. Got a nice feel to it. It's a bit big enough. Alright, put that to the side. Okay, inside of here, this is probably just something to keep it steady, basically. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I've been waiting years to get this lens because I've shot a couple of weddings. I was always the second shooter, never the first shooter. So I've got to work on my posing a little bit. I haven't done a whole lot of portrait photography, other than just stuff with family and everything. And then I've done a couple of jobs doing e-board and things like that. I've been mainly like a hobbyist, and I'm trying to get into the field and actually go professional with this. And I knew from shooting weddings that I was going to need this lens, especially for the ceremony. So I've been waiting for a while for this, and I wanted to make sure I was completely ready to go full steam ahead, hit it hard. and get into being a photographer. That's my dream. That is what I am going to accomplish. So, weird boxing. Alright, anyways, here we go. It's in the sleeve. Alright, here is our lens hood. This is 77mm threading. It should lock in. Help a little bit with that flaring. Now, in that in-depth review I will be doing, man, this thing is a beast. That's got some weight to it. Oh man, this is a tank. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. I love it already. I'm gonna have to give it a name. What do you think? I don't know. We'll think about it. Hey, that's something for you to do. In the comments, leave a comment below. Let's name this bad boy. What do you think? Female or male? You comment. Let me know. What are we gonna name it? Or him? So this here. All right. Gosh. All right. Wow. Okay, so contrary to other builds, basically they've started going with this new deal where I guess the zoom range is at the end of the lens instead of here, which this now is your focus. There's a readout here for your focusing. Your focusing seems to be, or your focus range. Wow, that's got a lot of space it can move. It's very fast though from what I hear. I am going to get out here and do some in-depth, like in the field tests. We're going to test it out. We're going to take it out, real world testing it. Probably get the girls together, my daughter, and do something like that. I like that. I like the cap on it. Pops right in. Alright. What is this? Arca Swiss? It'll just fit right into there and just clamp down. You got no unscrewing, screwing of plates for the bottom or anything like that. Makes it very handy. Alright, we've also got your VC modes, 1, 2, and 3. And then your VC on or off. You got your autofocus, manual focus. Okay, and on here, you've got a little knob, and then you can spin that, and that'll allow you to take this, pull this on and off, like so. I would probably leave mine on, actually. Got a little bit of plastic there. Go ahead and take that off. Man, but all in all, this is a beautiful lens. Look at that. Wow. Alright, so in the box you've got your lens hood. You've got your lens. Got your drink, a little bit of moisture, packet thingies, and you've got information and all of this stuff to get it registered and everything. So that is what I will go and do now. We need to go and get this bad boy registered, and I'll actually, tell you what, let's roll some B footage, some B-roll. Alright guys, so the SP on here stands for Super Performance. Yeah, I did a little bit of research on it. I was like, what does that mean? Alright, so we're going to talk about the name a little bit.
basically you have a super performance 70-200mm f, which is your f-stop, 2.8. The DI is actually stands for digitally integrated. Basically, it's the format they went to with their lenses when they were switching from the film to digital. Basically, when they switched, they had a hard time getting light to the edges of the sensor because of the angle that they were entering through the lenses. So because of switching to the DI, which refers to basically corner illumination, is what they were going towards, was trying to improve the corner illumination. And to do that, they had a better optical configuration, basically, as far as where the lenses are inside and the angles that they let light in and things of that nature, and also the coatings that they have on there, which we'll go more in depth into later on. Alright, so this is a Gen 2, the second generation that had VC, which is your vibration compensation, and this one has new technology that hasn't been used in any other lenses yet to date. And then we come to the USD, which stands for ultrasonic silent drive. Basically, for if you were going to do video with this or shooting weddings, you don't want to have a loud focus because they know that people complain about things like that. So they improved the drives motors inside as far as the focusing system goes, and they are way faster, and there's a lot of improvements done to this one. You have your readout here, and it's stiff. Alright, it goes from infinity to 3.11 feet. Alright, you've got your switches over here. So this is, hold on one second. Okay, now we come to our switches. We have the full, which is basically if you know you're not going to be shooting anything close up, like trying to get macros, things of that nature, you can focus faster by switching to this because it has a lower focal range. Now, if you know you're going to be getting up close, you need to switch to this. It'll use the full focal range. But it's just in case you know that you're not going to be doing that, and you'll get some really fast focusing, like at a game or something like that, something of that nature. Alright, so that brings us to our autofocus. Manual focus, that's self-explanatory, you know. What do you want to do? Manual focus, or do you want it to be auto? Auto. The only thing you want to go into manual on is maybe your camera settings, depending on the situation. So, VC on or off, vibration compensation. Basically, if you're on a tripod, it all depends on the situation, actually. So you got your vibration control on or off, and then you've got your different modes for that vibration. VC mode 1, that's your vibration compensation mode 1, which is a continuous control over the vibration. Basically, it'll be constantly trying to figure out what's going on, if there's any shake or not, and you will be able to see it in your optical display. Now, mode 2, VC2 is pretty much for your panning shots. This is when you're going to be sitting there trying to get a bike riding past at a marathon or something like that, you know, get your car shots, some drifting shots, things of that nature, anything moving. And you're not going to be going up or down, you'll be going side to side. That's for your panning shots there. Alright, mode 3. Mode 3 is what gives you the most vibration compensation of all 3 modes. Mode 1 will give you, I think, around 4 stops, which is very good. And mode 3, this will give you up to 5 stops of vibration compensation, basically, and you will be able to shoot in very low light. These are things that I really needed, and this is what I was looking for in a lens, what I've been waiting for so long. Alright, so then we come to our Arca Swiss. Basically, that's what it is. Comes off on very quickly. I am very glad they decided to go with this here.
If you like this video, like, subscribe, hit that bell because there's many more coming. I am going to try to be consistent with this and everything.